Hello people. Yeah, Carl and Jan out and about. So where are we today? Well, today we are in our new office. This was actually the office of Belit Unai. Yeah, and we convinced him it would be a really good idea to give this office to us, and he's moved into a smaller one. Yeah, thank you very much, Belit. Yeah, okay. What are we looking at today? Well, today we're going to take a look at office bits, things you find in an office. Okay, and today we're going to take a look at the bits you find on your desk, generally. Okay, yeah, before I begin, I'll just take a quick sup of my coffee. Okay, people, so what do we find in a normal everyday office on your desk? Okay, let's begin on the left. Okay, we have, for example, a small notepad. Yeah, a notepad for making notes. Everybody knows it. Okay, a notepad. Then, very important, yeah, to connect 2 pieces or 3 pieces or 5 pieces of paper together, you need a stapler. This, guys, is called a stapler. Okay, maybe I make a mistake with my stapler, then I need staple remover. This thing is the staple remover, this thing is the stapler. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, maybe I would like to put my paperwork in a file. Okay, then I need a paper punch. So this, guys, paper punch. I wish to draw a straight line. A ruler. Okay, normal everyday ruler, drawing a straight line. What else do you need? You need sellotape or scotch tape. Yeah, okay, so this is sellotape or scotch tape, and this is a dispenser. Scotch tape dispenser and sellotape. Okay, then maybe we want to make something official. Okay, so we need our stamp. This is our stamp cushion with ink and your stamp. What else we have? Very important. This is a pencil sharpener. Okay, what do I need the pencil sharpener for? For my pencil. This, guys, is a pencil, not a pen, a pencil with lead. Pencil. Then we have our ballpoint pen. Okay, this is a ballpoint pencil. Then we have our fountain pen, ink pen, okay, with ink. Okay, and our marker. Okay, good. And then maybe I always have one, maybe you need one, maybe you don't. This is a cutter knife. Okay, I use this for cutting my paper. Okay, and last but not least, Post-its. Oh, guys, nearly forgot the calculator. Most people today have their calculator in their telephone. I still have an old school one. Yeah, pretty cool. Calculator. Good, guys. So that was it for part 1 of Office Bits. If you enjoyed it, tune in again for part 2, where we will look at the parts or the things that you find in your drawer or maybe in your filing cabinet. Okay? See you then. See you later.